has started. Please forgive me that I'm a little bit slower today regarding anything. I have to admit, I feel I'm sleepy. I had pretty much to do today. Still didn't want to skip today's stream, and yeah, I can hear myself double. I don't want to hear myself double, so I have to edit certain aspects of OBS. I guess this should do it, hopefully. Hopefully that should do it. And yes. No. Yes, no. Oh, now that sounded strange. I just wanted to say I already got my coffee, so I'm pretty fine on that. And thanks for the smileys. Whoever joined recently, welcome to the stream. Yes, hope you're doing fine. I will work on the same script I worked before, which was around procedural generated armor chest pieces. Yes. Just have to set a few things up, have to look if everything is fine before I start the stream, which is, for example, my mobile phone. I will track the chat with my mobile phone instead of tracking it usual. And I will turn on some music. I will do the chat inside inside the stream. And yeah, kind of that. So yeah, hopefully he's able to track the chat. I will test I will post on X that I'm streaming. Oh yeah. And I kind of have to post on X that I'm streaming, like always. I guess some people join me via X, so I simply won't forget to do that with X. Yeah, the chat. I want to now put the chat inside OBS. It was browser. Yes, that as well. And now let's start relaxed movement. Yeah, this is a annoying ad, but at least he knows that I also consume English content and he's not only giving me German ads, because German ads are much more cringeworthy than you already, it's the relaxed movement is where I get the music from. I hope it's not too loud. It should only be slightly on the background. And whatever you want to see, just write it in the chat. That's if you try to code after 12 p.m. or 12 a.m. No, it's 12 p.m. or a.m. Not familiar with that kind of time system. But what I'm familiar with is my little script regarding the procedural generated chest armor. So, where do we generate chest armor? What do I wanna do now? We have if strange thing in the middle, and we have if separated plates. Now, if separated plates, we kind of fill one color in each side. What we want to do is if, let's see, yeah, these are old variables. We are not, we don't need to look at them, but we need to look at, let's see, strange thing in the middle is for the, yeah, thing in the middle, okay. I hope you get what I mean with the thing in the middle. Not referring to the thing from John Carpenter, but yeah, something. Ah, yeah, separated plates. No. Separated colors equals 0. If separated plates, separated colors equals, no, 0, no, random point, went int, 0, 1, 0, 3. Yeah, and I already declared it. Perfect. Perfect means per the sound a cat means. A cat means not, I mean, a cat doesn't mean anything, I mean what the cat says. The fox says something different, I know. What does the fox say? Hopefully not ring ding 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 ding. Yeah, pretty warm outside. Okay. Now we have to if separated plates. Now let's see if separated colors equal 3. If not, else. And yeah, like always, there are more efficient ways to do that, and it's not exe, it's else. Yeah, my fault. Oh, I'm sorry. And what comes here? Here comes the flop, the blob, the flop or the blob. The blob is something that eats you alive. And do you know the movie The Blob? I mean, my blob type enemy in my RPG-like game was inspired by the blob. What the blob says, now Discord. By the way, if you want to the one who recently asked me to do Python basics, just write in the chat when if you want to start. I will write him on Discord. And yeah, that being said, color left equals nothing new in the chat, I guess. Yeah, nothing new in the chat. now this gets important. Color left, yeah. No. If again, if not separated, color 3. This should be the bottom. This should be the white. So let's call it color white. Hello, Catalyst, how are you? Yes, I'm having a good night. Still sleepy because it's Friday. I worked the entire week, but yeah, that's perfect. That's a great idea. Thank you for joining. Yes, yeah, relaxing while watching a stream is always a good idea. Yes, I will get myself an energy drink. I still, at least 2 AM is the goal. I want to do 2 hours and want to finish. This will be the final stream regarding the procedural generated plate armor. So you can see here. I want to finish that. Ah, perfect, Catalyst, perfect. What are you, by the way, what are you at the moment planning? What are you coding? Yeah, I'm kind of, at the moment I'm developing chest armors for the game. That's why I wrote this script. Because the good thing, the best thing about these scripts with this procedural generated images is they are usable outside of the game. They are made for the game, but they are usable outside of the game. And because of that, I can make own videos, can share the code, and people can use them with their own games. I don't know, whoever they wanna do that. Yeah, that's where you should learn it for beginner. By the way, you already know HTML and JS, because if you wanna learn cybersecurity, I would learn, I mean, if you're done with the basics, I would start with socketing for Python. If you're heading in the direction of cybersecurity. I'm not 100% familiar with that subject as well. I will soon have to engage it because of what I'm studying, but not a pro in that. And yeah. You can do everything with Python. And the good thing about it is, but also HTML, I would at least learn the basics in HTML, PHP, and what else, maybe JavaScript. But really the surface of the surface, not. Yes, HTML is something you can do in one day. It's not that complicated. It's not even a language. It's just some code, how a website is built. And then maybe JS. And yeah, I'm not familiar with Go, Ruby, and C is really hard to learn. It costs me a lot of nerve, Python is maybe not the easiest, but you can, with Python, you can do the most complex things with the least complex code. That's what I like about Python. Okay, now I will get myself an energy drink. That I... Yes. Yeah, JS. JS is kind of tricky, or I first thought it was tricky. Learning how how scripts at websites, how JS script, how that thing kind of works. I don't know every code, every syntax, or every kind of condition or statement in JS, but at least some basics, how to define a variable and sorts and similar stuff. By the way, I will get myself an energy drink. Yes. Yeah, but kind of, I think Java and JavaScript have not that much in common, except the name. Yes, I would, after learning the Python basics, I guess, other stuff will be less complicated, but yeah, these curly brackets, you have to use curly brackets for loops and a more strict syntax than Python. Python is the most forgivable regarding syntax errors because there are many ways a code can work, and sometimes you make mistakes and the code still works. But this also comes, I'm sorry for the moaning, this also comes with new issues. New issues, yeah, I have problems pronouncing issues. Shoes. Okay, I will be right back. Yeah, kind of the start. I also can not relate. Also could next to Python, I could define Java as a good beginner language. It's harder to learn, but some next languages step in will be easier because it's fully centered around object orientation, and the syntax kind of similar to C, which has also some really good pros. Yeah, pros, I mean really good stuff. Okay, now I think, where did I left my energy drink? I will get to the cooler and get myself an energy drink. Usually I drink coffee, but this time my girlfriend will tell me tomorrow, you drank too much coffee, and that's why I need to switch to energy drinks, because she won't wake up because of the coffee machine. I don't know. Both could work. For cybersecurity, I guess you should go with JS and PHP, of course. But yeah, be right back. Yeah, there I am. Yes, PHP is kind of... it's a long time ago I engaged it. I should engage it again, and maybe I will get my knowledge back. I want that. But I guess I don't know how old are you, or how old you are. I'm already pretty old, and that I guess after hitting 30, it's much harder to learn certain stuff. Yeah, the best time of learning, the most efficient learning you can do between 25 and 30, I guess, because then your brain is still young, but you kind of manage certain strategies for learning. But still, I think you should never be too old to learn. It will just get a little bit more difficult, but not that significantly. Okay, now, where was I? Chest armor generator. Okay, so we have if not separated color 3, which should be the usual case. Else, if separated colors equal 3. Color white. Before I do that, I should copy that. Oh no, I will use another block. Copy that right here. I will track down the chat while doing that. Color white. Let's say greater equals 2. Greater equals 3. And I will set that, where is I will set this to 4, so that 4 is also possible as a result. Nutella from Germany. Oh, I'm not, my cousin was born to me. Oh, I know Nutella was, back in my childhood I used to eat it, bread, and put Nutella on it, but long time ago, because I don't eat that many sweets. But yeah, I remember that it was good. I know people who eat just a glass of Nutella without anything. Yeah, you can't compare Nutella to. That was I never tried. I'm not that good. Yeah, defining or separating any tastes. But I've heard from friends told me that there is a big gap between Nutella and regular chocolate cream for bread. Okay. Okay. Okay, we need to change that to color white. Für ein besseres Frühstück means just for a better breakfast. So kind of this meant that while eating Nutella, your breakfast will be better. Kind of that. It's kind of a simple term. No cool, catchy. Nothing cool or catchy. But if you want to know a German insult, just delete the L, both R's and the A at the end, or the last 3 letters, and then you have a German insult. But yeah, there's one T missing, but at least kind of like a German insult. Really close to one. Okay, image dwarf Lotfe. Okay, now we so if separated colors equals to or separate and %2 equal 0. Else now let's call it color bottom. Yeah, you don't need to learn German. That's for fun, yes, if you want to learn it for fun, but you don't need to learn it for any other reason than learning it for fun, because yeah, okay, there are some countries where you speak German, but most countries you are fine. Even in Germany, if you're traveling to Germany, you're just fine with English. Everyone should be able to speak English. Otherwise, yeah. Okay, so now where was I? Now this is color bottom, again color bottom, and color bottom. I wonder what will happen if we now run it. Ah, here we go. Yes. Yeah, this still can happen. Okay, this shouldn't happen. Okay, let's recall that. Why does this happen? Extra chest generator. If separated plates. colors greater equals 3. And again, if oh, I'm going to university, but I learned coding much earlier. I'm going to yeah, it's not it's a real university, but it's kind of this university in Germany where I can study completely while staying at home, and only have to move to the university for the exams. It's called Fernuniversität. It's a German term. I don't know the English term. I think there isn't even a real English term for that. And yeah, that's what I'm doing at the moment, and I'm working. Yeah, you can call it a programmer, but it's much more defining or dividing Excel tables and some sort of that. So I got a job as a programmer, but in a small company where you do most, yeah, not that challenging work, nothing spectacular or interesting. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. By the way, is my microphone too far away? That's better like this, I guess. Thank you very much. Yeah, I hope you can understand what I'm referring. Even, yeah, it's not perfect. You can hear clearly hear my German accent. Even if I try to compensate it, but you will never 100% do that. Even if you live in the US for a certain amount of years, you will ever fall back to your German accent, even if you focus on not having a German accent. But yeah, thank you. I get realize the issue, by the way. So if separated colors, I mean that should be it, but okay, color left, color left, color left. Color white, color white, color white. Else, the usual one. If separate, we got to color bottom, bottom, and yeah, like always, flood fill, flooding the fill. Okay, this is not a real term, flooding the fill. Anyways, so by the way, there once was a time where I accidentally fell asleep during a stream. I kind of remember. Oh, I remember. Imaged wall. Okay. Flood fill. What? Ah. Or? So let's see what this does. I comment this one out. Sorry. Ah, this is the left side, okay. Go to here. Where was I? Just armor generator. This is left side. What is the actual left side? These are the questions anyone needs to know. What else? Yeah, what happens if we comment that one out? Yes, I have also Red Bull Light next to me. Ah, okay, this is a... Okay, so we just realized... This is totally stupid what I did here. And this cute little thing here is left. If separated colors greater equal 3, else no color left. Yeah, you should always comment. You should never stop commenting. it has many benefits for me. I always get inspiration, but also it's good for the algorithm, for the YouTube algorithm, so I get more viewers. So okay, now yeah, I should switch color with color left. And oh, again, yeah, integer of color left here, color left here, and color left here. Now what does the result say? Hopefully the product are... Yes. Yes. You can see. Need more plates. Yeah, also this one, which is good. The regular one or the bottom colored one. And the rainbow one should also be there. Let's find one with rainbow colors. Here's someone with rainbow colors. I'm asking myself if we can add more complexity to the shoulder part. Let's open GIMP. Here we go. Let me show you GIMP. This is GIMP. And what I want to do now is, okay, I already spoiled it. I want to add more complexity. So, first use this. Again. Then use this one. Does this even look reasonable? I don't know. I don't know. First of all, I'm not really making much of making myself that much stress regarding that. Yes, these are bigger shoulder pieces, so we can kind of stretch them a little bit, maybe. No, I guess we need that. But not that. Yeah. Yeah, so we can add another layer or another level of the shoulder pieces after a short break. I will catch myself for 5 minutes or some sort of that, and we can continue after that. Okay, hello, I'm back, and hello Strife, yes! Great to see you. Second, break has ended. Still feeling totally sleepy, but no worries, we will do the basics. Okay, so. One second. Yeah, we can do it in test and hello, this looks perfect. So, yeah. Where do you want to start? Yes, we can make a live tutorial. Yeah, let's start with the basics. So, you know what print does, so what IDE do you have, by the way? Do you have an IDE? Are you allowed to use an IDE? Because I would use PyCharm. Then you can simply write on 1. If you want it, if we run hello, process finish with exit code 0, that means exit code 0 means no. Yeah, me too. That works perfectly. I would 100% recommend using PyCharm. Yes, yeah, the professional version is too expensive. So if you have, I already started. I asked you what IDE do you have used for coding Strife. Don't know if I hope you can hear what I'm saying. Because if you don't use an IDE, I would recommend you downloading one first. And hello to the one who joined recently. Hello, Louisa. Hope I pronounced your name right. How are you doing? Great to see you around. Numpy. Yes, we can do Numpy, but again, what IDE are you using? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Rita. Yeah, feel free to join. So first of all, if we want to print something, what is basic? So print is the basic, if we print something on the console like that, you always should use a Py file. I guess you already installed Python. Yes, by the way, VS Code can also be used. I go HTML or anything I do in HTML, CSS, I will go with, 100% with VS Code. But for Python, I use PyCharm. And yeah, you can use print and you can run it on this. If you click on run, or I guess it was Shift F10, and then you run the program, and yeah, you can see in the console, the console is on the left side, make it a little bit smaller. On the left side you can see print hello. Yeah, perfect, that was my question, yeah. I would use that, and yeah. kind of, but I hate Jupyter. Yeah. What's the... Whoop, no, I got something on my tongue. Don't want to take a screenshot. Why is he thinking I want to do a screenshot? The AP for Jupyter. Okay, so first program is always should be print hello, and variables can be declared with naming the variables. For example, this is a variable name equal 3. You can name multiple variables. This is also variable name 4. Now if we print, we can print this is also a variable name, and you will see 3 and 4. You can also increase them while printing them. 5. Yeah, and you see it is now 9 and 5 because they were incremented. Hope this was somewhat understandable. If not, write anything what you don't understand. And yeah, variables. So variables are the simplest thing in Python. You don't have to, you can say stringilding for a string equals to ff, and you print stringilding, and then it will be printed to ff. You can see it here on the console. And what do you think about Google Cloud IDE, the real did I ever use Cloud IDE? I used something with Google, but I don't think it was Cloud IDE. Never tried it out. But yeah, if it is connected to the Google Cloud, it would be a major benefit even. Yeah, I can kind of save that even, but yeah, that sounds like a big pro or a big benefit. Yes. By the way, at Strive, what particular questions? So these are what are basics. So if condition are simple, you said if, then the condition a equals 2. You can say a equals 2. Print hey, else print goodbye. Now because a is 2, he prints hey. If we set a equal to 3, he will print goodbye because he will only do Oh, you have to be on the wait list to join. Oh, but it was released 1 week ago, but I guess in a kind of beta state. But really sounds interesting, I have to admit that. Hello to everyone who joined recently. Yes, kind of high viewer rate today. Thanks for everyone who's watching. Wow, 10 viewers. Kind of not a new record, but a lot of people are watching now. Yeah, project ID, it sounds really interesting, but I'm not even on the wait list, so not even close to But yeah, you could develop your stuff from everywhere. And to everyone, you can join our Discord, by the way. So what else could be? We are at the moment at Python Basic. If conditions are pretty simple in Python, also can say while a is greater than -2. This is a loop, so everything will happen in this loop until the condition is not met anymore. That's why it is called a while loop. You can say something, you should always make sure that you are in a while true loop, so the program should always loop in the stay in this loop. If not, you should always have to look out that the condition will be met someday. That's kind of what the loop does. And yeah, I'm sorry for moaning that much. Kind of, some people may think I'm in a deep coma. I sound like I'm in a deep coma, but don't worry, I'm not. Just Friday, I think, wow, it's Friday, but you're still so tired from work. Kind of have to regain your energy for and yeah, energy loss. I'm sorry. Indentation is a big problem. Yeah, kind of Python, because of Python you kind of learn a proper use of indentation, but not with the brackets. It's kind of a standard that you won't learn in Python because you don't have curly brackets in Python, but you have them in Java or in JavaScript. In C, C++, next to every language you have this kind of curly brackets. Oh, it turned black. But yeah, in the loop we can also print something like print 1, and then 1 is printed 4 times because you will go through the loop 4 times. And yeah, Rust is kind of the new Python. Or yeah, I guess a lot of new Rust kind of is really popular. I can also sort of making a tutorial video regarding that because it's also easy to learn. I'm sorry, I feel like I'm a moaning machine. Sorry that I'm moaning that often. Yeah. So Stride, what do you wanna else cover? Object orientation, functions. Yeah. Okay, well, also did something like the I'm sorry. Chest armor generator. Yes, now let's use the what my intention is now. I want to vary the size of the shoulder parts. What is the big difference from Python to, you mean, compared to Rust? I don't have that much experience with Rust, but Python, the big benefits of Python are the many packages and libraries that you just simply only have to import. If you're using an IDE, you can. It's so easy to install them. Just click on import and you install them as well. You can kind of do anything with Python, games, websites. Yeah, not everything. With everything, I 100% really mean everything. Kind of no gaps, nothing. Or close to nothing. Okay. Shoulder. Okay, I get it. Now he is coloring. Okay, now I won't vary the shoulders anymore. This really gets more complicated than I thought. Oh. Yeah. I have to admit. No problems. If we do, I will be appreciated with a get basic and train our LLM. Are you referring to an AI language model? Yeah, that's also what I don't know, but I also really want to learn how to feed an AI with certain stuff and make it. I have to make a certain model work. I already did this with Stable Diffusion, but training your very own AI, I never did this. And I really wanna do that. And Discord link, of course. This is my Discord link. You can add me and I will invite you in the coding lounge. But I will generate a new second. And here's the link for the Discord. Hello, by the way, to anyone who joined recently. Ah, you mean you need a language model for talks a paper? You mean a language model that reads you or reads a certain text for you? You mean that? By the way, I posted the Discord link. Can join with while using the Discord link. And yes, so I would say my script is finished. Okay, I will be right back. I need to... Hello, by the way. Perfect. Yes, I just realized that. A little bit late, but better late than never. Yeah. Okay, so I would say my script is finished. Could try to implement it now. Where's the chest armor generator? Here we go. Pygame Ultimate. Nothing new in the check. Nothing new in the chat, not check. Check. I mean, nothing new in the chat. Yeah. It's kind of similar to being drunk, but instead of being, dizzy, you're just sweaty and your concentration kind of leaves, but not impossible. But if you kind of are, I guess, 23 hours or 20 hours awake, you have like 0.5 blood alcohol. That's how a study. I will see. Let me have a look. Sleep. No sleep is like. Oh, okay, that's much less. Being awake. Oh no, it's percent, okay. 18 hours is the same like having a blood alcohol of 0.05%, not per mil. Yeah, that's 100%. That's possible with Python. Python kind of, I guess it's kind of spread, widely used for AI. So yeah, try to sell, I train LLM with many PDF documents. Not use scope, joy, use LMM for free. Okay. Sorry for the long wait. For free. By the way, is I don't even know the definition is large language. Stable diffusion. Is stable diffusion a large? No. Oh yeah, it has an open source AI language model, so even stable diffusion is considered a large language model. Help develop. Yeah, you can. By the way, you can also, and if I let some. Yeah. You should never 100, by the way. I don't even know if this is off topic, but you should never fully rely on AI regarding making your code or. Yes, yeah, cool. They developers share their code freely. Yes, I should always share your code for free. By the way, I forgot something really important. Just realized that. Yeah, I wanted to pin a comment with the code of my new Matplotlib video, but I totally forgot that, so that's why you could hear my voice a second time. That's a simple code. I should really learn to stay awake, to stay awake for a longer time. because back in good old days I was able to code 8. Okay, I'm still able to code 8 hours, but with much less complaining regarding my less sleep. Okay, anyways, I will do another short break. See you in 8 minutes again. Sorry for the... Usually I would make a break in 10 minutes, but I need to yeah, kind of get up, do some workout routine, and then we will see you in 8 minutes.
Steam's open world survival crafting.
Okay, I'm back. I catched myself something to eat for my final meal today, which is cheese curd, like always. Okay, I always eat cheese curd before going to bed. That doesn't mean I will end the stream now, just my final meal already prepared. Okay, I don't have to prepare anything for my final meal, because it's just my final meal. Now I want to implement the chest armor. That. Let me see. Game. Okay. Image generator. Chest armor generator. Here we go. Kind of really got long. Okay, the image itself is larger. Thank you really much. Yeah, it doesn't taste that good, but it has a high amount of protein. That's the main cause why I'm eating that. Not that good tasting, okay. Simply mark all now. And copy that. Yeah, chest armor image generator. Oh, sorry. I want to learn TensorFlow and keywords feed the data tray. But main weapons be change variables constantly. I also have so many projects I would accomplish if I had so much more time, but yeah. I'm running low on time at the moment. Yes, I also, that's why when I installed my, the model of, how was it, Stable Diffusion, I also needed PyTorch. But yeah, for not the new version, so I got many issues until I managed it, because that's really important. I'm sorry. You can't really install the newest version of everything, especially not CUDA and PyTorch. Or you will, yeah, meet your maker. Like I did. Use this for chest armor. And yes. Okay, next step is okay, I don't know why I use this loop. I really don't know it. Okay. Image output.png. Name.png, not output, name. Like that. Hello to the one who joined. By the way, what do we want to see? Want to see tonight? Can do Python basics. Can do Numpy. Continue working on your game. Another option could be Sing My Heart Will Go On. Titanic. Not specifically Google Maps, but I know OpenStreetMap API. Let me see. Not open. OpenStreetMap API. I mean, they made a game on OpenStreetMap or based on OpenStreetMap, the content you get with OpenStreetMap, so okay, I already got 2 votes for continue working on your game. Sounds reasonable. And yeah, I will continue working on my game, that's for sure. %100% for sure. But I will still wait for some more votes. Votes. And yeah. Okay. Now let's see. Mix what? I really need that. Yeah, I need to import Pygame. Okay. I guess it's ready now. I mean, the image generator should be ready. What to develop a Python software for this place of distribution places. Yeah, that's some words No, don't worry. Try to answer them every time. But software distribution is a hard word to spell as a German. places. This what to develop a Python software for distribution places. Let me see. There is OpenStreetMap for OpenStreetMap Python, because I will give you a link. Maybe that's something which could help you. OpenStreetMap has a Python package, and there you can calculate, should be able to calculate distances from certain places. I don't know if he calculates a route or just, yeah, the distribution between two spots. I don't really know what exactly he will calculate. Okay. Hello to everyone who joined recently. Okay. So we have the image, but we still need static depth, generators, chest armor. Chest armor name. Mid part. Chest piece. Body armor. Armor. Coat. Leather coat. Chest armor equals none. Yeah, we will change that letter as well. To this. Oh, that will be a hard challenge. But I guess OpenStreetMap can divide which is street and which is not, but you have to calculate, you have to invent an algorithm, I guess, for yourself, where he kind of tracks the routes. I go to the path also, we choose from GUI automatically changes the path. Okay. Oh, I kind of have an idea what you could When drive set, I go to the path, also we choose from the tick. You mean something that Google Maps already does when you have a route, but how much? Okay. Well, this sounds hard, but yeah, it could be madeable with. I mean, you could try it. I don't exactly, the package I posted, I don't know. So OpenStreetMap is kind of a Google Maps API. But I don't know if it costs anything. Maybe it is open source. But yeah, you should 100% check the link out. I also plan on doing something with that regarding my game. Is OpenStreetMap API free? Ah, okay, so I just googled it. This phrase I posted, I simply copied from Google. After googling it, OpenStreetMap seems to be open source, so completely free. Like I said, that's definitely something you should try because, yeah. Sorry. Shaking myself. It's an RPG, I can show you. You ever played something like Diablo? Yeah, this is really a simple one. Playing with figure, fighting against certain enemies. Then you can reach portal to other procedural generated levels like this. Now we have new enemy types. Like these squirrels here. And yeah, now should be able to enter. Yeah, I can now enter the dungeon. See it here, 1 second. And yeah, equipment I can show you is also procedural generated, like here. This is the inventory. Here again. Yeah, let me see if I get some rare items. Ah yeah, these are rare items who have modifiers. Yeah, they like bullet hell gunner, but base. Yeah, someone. There are also enemies that can shoot bullets. Like, can show you that as well. Now let's enter the dungeon here. And yeah, now I enter the dungeon. sure that I won't die. Now we have the larger level, and then you should have to fight the first boss. Here, this is the first boss, the Blob Titan. And yeah, he shoots bullet at me, as you can see here. But he has this weak spot. But yeah, between the phases he attacks and deals massive damage. So I have to... Oh. To wait until he... like this. Yes, I'm dead. I kind of messed it up. Yes, it's kind of a hero game. Kind of like that. Still need to make the hit feedback. Yes. It's inspired by certain games like Binding of... Do you know Binding of Isaac? It's inspired by this and also by... what else? The similar games. Not Metroid, but... Yeah, but people would also define it as a Metroidvania. But also inspired by a mix of Binding of Isaac and Diablo 2. That's what it basically should be later on. With better animations. Better feedback regarding hitting. And all thought of that. Yeah. Okay. Should eat some. Still continue eating. So, now I have to implement chest armor for that. To get to... Ouch. Items. Equipable. It's similar to Ring. Oh no, it's similar to Helmet. A lot of in common with Helmet. Expect the position. Chest armor. But yeah, name generate, chest armor name, create. We need to implement. Chest armor generator is chest arm image gen. Now back to that. Yes. Now that seems to work. Okay, now Position is... do we have position 1 yet? 3. What position does SWAT have? Are you gonna keep... 0. Then I guess position is 1. Multiplied with 3. Okay. My name is Biggie. Still need to eat. I'm really close to finishing today's stream. Still where's NPC? Hello to the one who joined recently. Yeah, I'm already close to being finished. Close to the finish line. Not the country. Not referring to the country. Yes. And sorry. NPC, where are you? Moving. NPC. Let's see. Chest armor. Now let's see. Oh. But is this the... Oh, this was already the issue. Let's see. Okay. Didn't fully worked out yet, I see. Okay. Why? What is wrong? What is wrong? Baby, don't tell to me. Don't tell to me. No more. Okay, so doesn't load the images properly. Oh, sorry, it turned black. Back to black. armor. Okay, that seems odd for me. Because why did it work in the first place but not now? And that's what I don't get, or don't seem to get it. Oh. Hello to everyone who joined recently. I'm trying to figure out why the images I generated are white. That thought I don't get. By eating my cheese curd. Try to figure that out. Okay. If I comment this one out. Index out of rand, okay. Oh, that is just not a major issue. Oh, here it goes. Doesn't flood fill. Strange, still strange. Okay. So why does it work this way? Sorry for my slow pace. Really catching. If you don't hear anything, I fell asleep on my desk. Okay. Okay. Why doesn't it work here? don't get it. Okay, maybe I need to figure that out tomorrow. 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 Yes. I guess it's time to say goodbye. I can't even see anymore if I have 6 or 5 viewers because my eyesight got so busy. Really happy that I made it 2 hours because I thought I will fell asleep earlier. But let me give me one more break to think. Yeah, I know. Still thinking. This can't be that hard. Maybe. Where do I use flood fill with? Let's skip this. Okay, this won't change anything. Now with flood fill. Okay, he doesn't use flood fill at all. Why? Not, and why does he use it here? He's using the same packages. So I'm still confused. Maybe image. Maybe it has something to do with this one here. Yeah, that's it. Look at that. Perfect. solved it. I knew I can solve it this night. Perfect. Again. Oh, epic code of Zelda Rim. Okay. With that in mind, oh, 9 viewers, okay. What do you wanna see? Everyone who joined recently. 9 viewers. I can't skip when I have 9 viewers. Impossible. Okay, 8 viewers. Yes, I can also, and later I can alter the mannequin to a similar state. Should be 100% doable. Put armor, separate screens, we can change the type of enemy NPC. I don't know what you mean. Maybe I'm planning to animate certain obstacles like water. This will be easy. But, or what do you mean? Maybe I have to look again in the chat tomorrow. Then I will think, okay, I was stupid. It was obvious what everyone meant. I was just too sleepy. Oh yeah, this could be. Yeah, but this will be done later. I didn't even include it. I now included armor, but not certain damage types. But yeah. Okay, now I have at least not that much viewers anymore, so can say good night. Time to say good night. And thanks for everyone who joined the stream. Thank you, Reza. Thank you, Catalyst. Thank you, anyone else who joined. And yeah, hopefully see you in the next stream when I'm, have much more energy to code. Good night, everyone. Oh, it's hard to end the stream with 9 viewers, but I have no choice. Otherwise, I won't do it anymore. So yeah. Good night. See you hopefully next time. Bye bye.